So I will technically finish my education in the gymnasium that I was attending. I will officially end it by finishing my school leaving exams, but I'm not really going to like attend that school anymore. Only go to those tests, pass them, and leave school, like officially leave school. And then I have the option to move to or to continue my education to university, but I'm not really going to talk about that in this video. Right now I want to mention one of my biggest regrets, which I can at least think of right now, from like the school years which I had in that gymnasium. And I believe it's something that can definitely be applied to even when I was in the elementary school. But that time it was different because I wasn't so developed as a person yet. And so I always wanted to be that person who had like a neutral relationship with almost everyone. And it also includes like all the other classes, not only the one that I was in. And I believe it was only because I was mostly like a coward and I didn't want to get into arguments, or I didn't want to have a bad relationship with anyone in my school. And that's why I wanted that, or I had that as my goal, to have a neutral relationship with everyone. I was also like the good boy in the beginnings, that I was getting good marks and everything. So I was even trying to have a good relationship with the teachers. But there was one huge mistake which I have done, at least I believe so. And it's the fact that I was somewhat like creating that fake persona, that I was almost like agreeing with every statement or with every opinion other people were saying, or when I was talking to somebody and they mentioned or they talked about their own opinion about some kind of a topic and I had a different one, I didn't say it because I didn't want to start an argument, I didn't want to create like a tension between us. And so in that sense I have somewhat like created fake persona, that I wasn't really talking about my own opinions, about my own values, even though I have strong values. I didn't talk about them. And that's actually what I wanted to say, like that's the biggest mistake that I have done and the biggest regret which I have. That basically I wasn't myself because I was trying to not have that tension between us. I wasn't talking about anything that I was really interested in or anything that was going in my life. And just recently, since I am soon leaving the school completely, I was starting to talk about my own goals, about my own values more. And as it turned out, it feels much better that I know that I'm actually talking about the things which I value, about the things that I am interested in. Anytime a teacher asked me like what was my goal or what I wanted to do in my life, I always mentioned that I would move to like a sports university, and yeah, that's basically it. But what I actually want is something completely different, but as I mentioned, I will talk about that in a different video. And so right now I have actually talked about what I really want to the teachers, as well as if somebody was talking to me and it didn't have to be a teacher, I was still more open about my own values, about my own ideas. And now it actually feels much better. I actually started to feel less stressed in everything that I was doing. Like presentations were always something I was stressed about. I really had a strong anxiety about public speaking. But since I started to be more open about my own values, I don't know how it's connected, but it actually helped me like reduce my stress, and I was much more confident whilst presenting because of that. And so what I want you to take from this video is that sometimes maybe it's even better to be the one guy in the class that's somewhat weird, because you are striving towards your goals, because you are like strict with yourself, you don't drink alcohol, you don't smoke, you don't do any of those things that are very popular with like usually your peers. And so it can usually happen that your values will be opposing to each other, and so we will create like sometimes maybe even arguments. But I believe that having like maybe even bad relationships with people in your class is much better than having no deep relationships, because I haven't built any deep relationship even though I have been in that school for 8 years now. And so that's something you have to keep in mind, and that's like the biggest regret which I have, that I wasn't myself. I wasn't talking about the things which I actually value. And so I will actually take this advice myself. If I will go to university, then I will actually try to be more myself. I will talk about what I actually want, what are my goals, and maybe that way I will actually meet somebody who will connect with me, instead of creating like neutral relationships with everyone. And in a sense, I didn't really have anything in return, because I wasn't able to talk with anyone about the things which I am actually interested in, and I just didn't form any deep connections. If this video was valuable, then you can like this video, you can subscribe so that you can see more videos like this. And if you have your own experience with this, or if you have your own regret which you have from school, then you can comment it down below, so that you will boost the algorithm, and maybe even you will get something in return, because somebody else who has the same experience as you will reply to your comment, and that way you will meet each other. And so if you have found this video valuable, then you can watch this video next.